Hello everyone, Dr. Mandell here. Today I'm going to share something extremely simple, but incredibly powerful. A food that many seniors already eat, but only one type of it has been shown to boost muscle strength, help reduce inflammation, and even slow down arthritis progression. This is not expensive. This is not complicated. This is something you can start using today. Plain Greek yogurt stands quietly in the dairy aisle, but behind its simplicity lies one of the most powerful tools a senior can use to protect their body from the slow, silent decline of age. Most people look at it as just another breakfast food, but the truth is far more dramatic. Plain Greek yogurt is one of the richest natural sources of complete protein and leucine, the exact nutrients the aging body becomes desperate for after the age of 60. And the shocking part is this: most seniors aren't getting anywhere near enough of it. Muscle loss or sarcopenia begins long before wrinkles appear, long before joints ache, long before you realize you're losing strength. It starts quietly: a little difficulty getting up from a chair, a little wobble on the stairs, a little fatigue in the legs after a short walk. These aren't just signs of aging, they are signs that the body is starving for the very building blocks Greek yogurt gives in abundance. Scientists have discovered that after age 60, the body's ability to synthesize muscle drops by almost half. That means even if a senior eats protein, the body doesn't use it efficiently. But leucine is different. Leucine doesn't ask the body to build muscle. It commands it. It activates a pathway called mTOR, the master switch that literally tells your muscles to grow, repair, and rebuild. Without leucine, that switch stays off. With it, seniors can reverse years of muscle decline, and plain Greek yogurt is one of the easiest, safest, most digestible ways to deliver this essential amino acid directly into the body. In a world where seniors lose up to 8% of muscle every decade, something as simple as a cup of Greek yogurt becomes more than food. It becomes a strategy for survival, because muscle is not just about strength or appearance. Muscle is life. It protects balance, mobility, stability, circulation, metabolism, and even the immune system. Seniors with stronger muscles live longer, walk better, think clearer, and recover faster. Every spoonful of Greek yogurt becomes a direct investment in the years ahead. And that's not all. Greek yogurt contains nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, 18 to 20 grams in a single cup. That means one serving gives almost half of the daily protein a senior needs just to maintain normal muscle function. And the surprising part is how easily the body accepts this protein. Because Greek yogurt is fermented, it's pre-digested by healthy bacteria. That means the protein absorbs faster, more efficiently, and with less digestive stress than meats or supplements. Seniors with weak digestion, low appetite, or difficulty chewing can get powerful muscle-building fuel without strain. But the story gets even more dramatic when you look at what happens when seniors don't get enough of this kind of protein. Studies reveal that seniors who eat low-protein diets experience a 40% faster loss of leg strength. Their risk of falls skyrockets. Their bones suffer more fractures. Their independence slips away little by little. But seniors who consistently consume high-protein dairy like Greek yogurt show stronger grip strength, faster walking speed, and better balance. Muscle doesn't disappear because of age. It disappears because of lack of fuel. Plain Greek yogurt is that fuel. There's also a hidden secret inside Greek yogurt. It's slow-digesting casein protein. Casein releases amino acids steadily for hours, feeding the muscles long after you finish eating. For seniors who struggle with nighttime muscle breakdown, this slow, continuous release becomes a powerful tool to prevent the body from eating away at itself during sleep. It's like giving your muscles a guardian that stays awake even when you're resting. But why plain? Why unsweetened? Because the moment sugar enters the equation, everything changes. Sugary yogurts spike inflammation, accelerate joint pain, and disrupt insulin levels. Artificial sweeteners may be even worse, damaging the gut bacteria responsible for regulating inflammation. Only plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt provides pure, unaltered muscle-building power. Nothing added, nothing diluted, nothing harmful. And when seniors choose full-fat Greek yogurt, they unlock an extra advantage. Healthy fats support hormone balance, especially hormones related to muscle maintenance. Many older adults unknowingly suffer from declining hormones, contributing to weakness and fatigue. Full-fat Greek yogurt offers a gentle, natural way to nourish the body without overwhelming it. These fats also slow digestion, helping seniors feel satisfied longer and stabilizing blood sugar naturally. There is also a powerful connection between muscle and the gut, and Greek yogurt strengthens both. The probiotics in Greek yogurt don't just support digestion, they directly influence inflammation, nutrient absorption, and immune function. When the gut thrives, the body absorbs protein more effectively. When the gut is inflamed, even the best foods can't help. Greek yogurt restores this balance, making sure every bit of protein is actually used to rebuild tissue. Seniors who eat Greek yogurt daily often report unexpected benefits: more energy during the day, better mobility in the morning, fewer cramps at night, and improved stamina during walks. These changes aren't coincidences. They're biology responding to nourishment it has been deprived of for years. It's the body finally receiving what it needs to heal itself from the inside out. And perhaps the most profound truth is this: muscle loss is reversible, even in the 70s, even in the 80s, even in the 90s. Research shows that seniors who increase protein intake, especially leucine-rich protein, can rebuild muscle in as little as 12 weeks. The body never stops trying to heal. We just have to give it the tools. Greek yogurt is one of those tools. Imagine a senior struggling to lift a grocery bag today, gaining the strength to carry it easily in a few months. Imagine someone who struggles to climb the stairs feeling stability again. Imagine reducing the fear of falling, the fear of weakness, the fear of losing independence. Sometimes the greatest transformations start with the smallest habits. A simple bowl of Greek yogurt daily can become a turning point in someone's life. The truth is powerful and simple. Aging doesn't take strength away. Lack of nutrition does. And when seniors choose the right foods, the right nutrients, the right proteins, they can shift the trajectory of their health. Greek yogurt may look ordinary, but its impact is extraordinary. It is high protein, high leucine, highly absorbable fuel for a body that deserves support, strength, and stability. This isn't just a dairy product, it's a daily decision to protect muscle, a daily decision to stay strong, a daily decision to keep moving, a daily promise to your future self. And for seniors, that promise begins with one powerful food: plain Greek yogurt. Arthritis is not just joint pain, it is a silent thief that slowly steals comfort, mobility, and the simple ability to live without fear. It creeps in quietly, often beginning with a little stiffness in the morning, a dull ache in the knees, a grinding sensation in the fingers. But as the years pass, that small discomfort can grow into something heavier, something that shapes the way a senior walks, moves, and even sleeps. And what most people never realize is that inside this painful condition lies a powerful enemy: chronic inflammation, an enemy that can be weakened with one simple, overlooked food: plain Greek yogurt, not the sugary versions, not the flavored cups, just pure unsweetened Greek yogurt rich with probiotics, healthy fats, calcium, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds the body desperately needs as it ages. Scientists now know that arthritis is driven by inflammatory molecules called cytokines, the same chemicals the immune system sends out when it senses danger. But when the gut is unhealthy, those signals stay switched on, flooding the bloodstream, attacking the joints, and wearing down cartilage. The shocking discovery made in recent years is that up to 70% of the immune system lies inside the gut. That means the gut doesn't just digest food, it trains immunity, regulates inflammation, and decides whether the body heals or stays in constant pain. And the simple truth is this: when the gut is inflamed, the joints follow. When the gut is calm, the joints begin to heal. Greek yogurt is one of the most powerful natural tools the body has to restore gut balance, reduce inflammation, and support the joints fighting daily wear and tear. Inside every spoon of Greek yogurt are billions of living probiotics. These aren't just good bacteria. They are microscopic workers that travel into the gut, repair damaged lining, reduce intestinal inflammation, balance harmful microbes, and lower levels of C-reactive protein, the marker doctors use to measure inflammation in the body. Seniors with high CRP levels are far more likely to experience severe arthritis flare-ups, swelling, stiffness, and joint deterioration. But seniors who consume probiotic-rich foods like Greek yogurt regularly show measurable drops in these inflammatory markers. In one study, arthritis patients who consumed probiotics daily reported less morning stiffness, reduced knee pain, and improved flexibility within just 8 weeks. The reason is simple: Inflammation begins in the gut, and healing begins there too. But Greek yogurt doesn't stop at probiotics. It contains calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, three nutrients that act like the construction crew of the skeletal system. Calcium strengthens bones, vitamin D improves absorption, and phosphorus supports the structure of cartilage itself. Most seniors don't know that without these nutrients, the joints become fragile, the bones become brittle, and cartilage breaks down faster than the body can repair it. In fact, nearly 50% of adults over 60 are deficient in vitamin D, a deficiency that doubles the risk of arthritis pain. Greek yogurt provides these nutrients in a natural, easily digestible form, delivering exactly what aging joints have been missing. Then there are the healthy fats, fats that many seniors have been taught to fear. But full-fat Greek yogurt contains monounsaturated fats and small amounts of omega-3s, both of which help block inflammatory pathways, similar to how mild anti-inflammatory medications work. These fats lubricate the joints from within, reducing grinding, stiffness, and friction. They support hormones that regulate inflammation, especially in older adults whose hormone levels decline naturally with age. When the body is deprived of healthy fats, the joints dry out like old hinges. When it receives them, the joints regain mobility, cushioning, and smoother movement. Yet the most overlooked benefit of Greek yogurt is its effect on weight. Arthritis is brutally sensitive to body weight. For every single pound of excess weight a person carries, the knees feel 4 pounds of additional pressure. That means 5 extra pounds equals 20 pounds of joint stress. 10 extra pounds equals 40 pounds of force crushing the cartilage with every step. Seniors who add high-protein foods like Greek yogurt into their daily diet naturally experience lower appetite, better blood sugar control, and improved metabolism. Over time, even small reductions in weight lead to huge relief in joint pressure. A little yogurt can help remove 20, 30, or even 50 pounds of stress from the knees without extreme dieting. And the benefits ripple into daily life. Seniors who eat Greek yogurt consistently often describe something powerful. They wake up with less tension in their hands, their knees feel lighter on the stairs, their hips feel more stable while walking, and the ache that once lingered throughout the day begins to shrink. These improvements aren't miracles. They are biology responding to nourishment. When inflammation drops, the nerves calm. When nutrients rise, the bones strengthen. When probiotics thrive, the immune system stops attacking the joints. Step by step, spoon by spoon, the body begins to reclaim control. Scientists now recognize arthritis not as a single condition, but a reflection of the body's internal environment. When that environment is inflamed, arthritis rages. When that environment is balanced, arthritis calms. Greek yogurt helps create that internal balance. Its probiotics shift gut bacteria toward an anti-inflammatory profile. Its nutrients strengthen bones and cartilage. Its fats feed hormones that regulate swelling. Its protein supports tissue repair. This one food quietly addresses multiple pathways of arthritis all at once, gently guiding the body back to stability. Even seniors who believe their arthritis is too advanced have shown improvements when inflammation is lowered. Cartilage, though slow to recover, can regenerate. Joints, though stiff, can regain mobility. Pain, though persistent, can diminish. The human body is always fighting to heal itself, even late in life. It just needs the right tools. And Greek yogurt is one of the simplest tools of all. Some foods harm the joints, some foods heal them, some foods accelerate inflammation, some foods neutralize it. Greek yogurt is one of the few foods that works in harmony with the biology of aging. It is not a painkiller. It is not a supplement. It is nourishment built by nature, refined by fermentation, and perfectly suited to the needs of seniors. Arthritis may be a lifelong companion for many, but suffering doesn't have to be. The body is never done healing, never done rebuilding, never done fighting for comfort, and for seniors searching for a daily habit that supports joint health from the inside out, the answer can be shockingly simple: a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt, taken consistently, taken with intention, taken as a daily promise to help inflammation fall and mobility rise again. For many seniors, mobility is not just movement, it is freedom, it is independence. It is the ability to walk across a room without fear, climb a staircase without hesitation, and wake up each morning knowing their body will support them through the day. Yet millions of older adults slowly lose this freedom, not because of age itself, but because the body is quietly starved of the fuel it needs to stay strong. And this is where something as simple as a daily serving of plain Greek yogurt becomes a powerful lifeline. Not a trendy food, not a wellness fad, but a deeply biological tool that supports muscle repair, reduces inflammation, and restores the energy the aging body struggles to produce on its own. When seniors use it daily, with purpose, with consistency, with understanding, the body begins to shift in ways that feel subtle at first, but life-changing over time. Most people forget that muscle is not built in the gym. It is built in the kitchen, built in the bloodstream, built in the microscopic reactions that depend on amino acids, calcium, probiotics, and healthy fats. And when the body lacks these building blocks, the muscles weaken faster than any exercise can strengthen them. Seniors naturally lose 3 to 8% of their muscle mass every decade after the age of 30, and after 60, the decline accelerates dramatically. That means walking becomes harder, standing becomes slower, balance becomes unstable, and the legs, once strong and capable, begin to tremble from tasks that were once effortless. But when seniors consume high-protein, probiotic-rich foods like Greek yogurt every day, research shows that mobility can improve, gait speed increases, and strength returns, even in the 8th or 9th decade of life. Scientists have spent years studying why some seniors maintain independence while others struggle. One of the strongest predictors is protein intake. Seniors who eat adequate protein are 40% more likely to walk confidently, 30% less likely to experience falls, and significantly more likely to recover quickly from illness or surgery. Yet studies reveal that nearly half of seniors do not get enough daily protein to support basic muscle function. Greek yogurt becomes a daily tool to fill this gap, delivering 18 to 20 grams of high-quality protein in the easiest, most digestible form possible. Unlike meats, which can be tough to chew, or supplements that can upset the stomach, Greek yogurt is gentle, soothing, and absorbed efficiently by the aging digestive system. But mobility is more than muscle. Mobility depends on joints, nerves, bones, and balance. 4 systems that all decline with age if they aren't nourished properly. And Greek yogurt uniquely supports all 4. Its probiotics help regulate the gut-brain axis, improving nerve signaling and reducing inflammation that often disrupts balance. Seniors with poor gut health experience dizziness and instability at much higher rates, something doctors are only now beginning to understand. When probiotics repair the gut lining and restore healthy bacteria, inflammation in the nervous system decreases and coordination improves. This is why seniors who start eating Greek yogurt daily often say they feel lighter on their feet or more stable when walking. It's not imagination, it's biology rebuilding balance from the inside out. The calcium and vitamin D in Greek yogurt target another critical part of mobility: bone strength. Bones weaken with age, and when bones weaken, every movement becomes more dangerous. A single slip can become a fracture. A small misstep can become a hospital visit. But seniors who consume calcium-rich foods daily have up to a 33% lower risk of fractures. Greek yogurt strengthens bones in a way supplements often fail to do because food-based calcium is absorbed more effectively, especially when combined with probiotics that enhance nutrient uptake. Stronger bones mean stronger steps. Stronger steps mean greater confidence, more independence, and less fear. Even the energy seniors feel throughout the day is influenced by what they eat. Fatigue is one of the most common complaints among older adults, and much of it is tied to unstable blood sugar levels and chronic inflammation, draining the body's stamina. Greek yogurt stabilizes blood sugar with its balance of protein and healthy fats, preventing the crashes that lead to afternoon exhaustion. This stable energy allows seniors to stay active longer, to walk further, to move more. And movement, consistent daily movement, is the greatest protector of long-term mobility. The more they move, the stronger they stay. Greek yogurt helps make that movement possible. But perhaps the most beautiful part of this simple food is how it integrates into daily life. Seniors don't need to change their entire diet, count calories, or memorize complicated instructions. A half cup in the morning can set the tone for stronger muscles throughout the day. A few spoonfuls before or after a walk can accelerate muscle repair and reduce soreness. Mixed into a snack, a smoothie, or a savory dish, it becomes a reliable, gentle source of nourishment that the body uses immediately. The results accumulate slowly at first, less stiffness, more stability, easier steps, but over weeks and months, the transformation becomes undeniable. Seniors who commit to this habit often notice something profound. They start trusting their body again. They stand up from a chair without bracing themselves. They climb stairs without gripping the railing in fear. They walk longer distances, breathe easier, stand taller, and feel more confident interacting with the world. These changes are more than physical, they are emotional. Mobility shapes identity. When people move well, they feel alive. When movement becomes difficult, the world shrinks. Greek yogurt, in its quiet simplicity, helps keep that world open. And the science supports this deeply. Research from geriatric nutrition labs shows that daily high-protein dairy consumption improves muscle thickness in seniors even when no exercise is added. Studies on probiotics show reduced inflammatory markers that directly correlate with improved joint mobility. Long-term trials reveal that seniors who prioritize nutrient-dense foods maintain independence years longer than those who do not. All of this points to a truth that is both powerful and hopeful. The body never stops fighting for mobility. It only needs consistent nourishment to keep going. Every senior deserves to walk without fear, to live without stiffness, to move with strength. And while no single food is a miracle, some foods act as catalysts, supporting every system the body relies on to stay mobile, vibrant, and independent. Plain Greek yogurt is one of those catalysts. It fuels muscles, it calms inflammation, it strengthens bones, it restores balance. And when used daily, it becomes a quiet but powerful force, helping seniors reclaim the mobility that aging tries to take away. Mobility is not measured by miles walked or steps counted. It's measured by the freedom to move through life with confidence. And that freedom begins with nourishment, consistent, intentional, and rooted in science. A daily serving of Greek yogurt is more than a habit. It is a commitment to strength, a commitment to movement, a commitment to a life that remains open, active, and fully lived.